next topic is the basic integration rules. So the integral of dx is equal to x plus c. The integral of dy is equal to y plus c. The integral of dt is equal to t plus c. So, ito yung variable of integration. Make sure na ilalagay natin palagi yung integration of constant, which is the plus c. Paano kapag may constant? Okay, so k, or the integral of k dx is equal to kx plus c. Okay, for example, the integral of 5 dx is equal to 5x plus c. So, the integral of 12 dy is equal to 12y plus c. The integral of 4 dt is equal to 4t plus c. Okay, proceed tayo sa power rule. The integral of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So, ito po yung magiging formula sa power rule. Okay, let's proceed to the first example. The integral of x squared dx is equal to x raised to 2 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1 plus c. Magiging x cubed all over 3 plus c, or 1/3 x cubed plus c. Okay, let's try this example. The integral of x cubed dx, the integral of 10x to the 4th dx, and the integral of 1 over x squared dx. So, dito, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, so magiging x to the 4th over 4 plus c. Next, 10x raised to 5 all over 5 plus c. Then simplify, 10 by 5 is equal to 2, x to the 5th plus c. So, let's box the answer. Okay, burahin muna natin yung nasa taas. So, bago natin ma-solve yan, i-transform muna natin. Gawin natin siyang x raised to negative 2 para pwede siya sa power rule. Okay, so x raised to negative 2 plus 1 all over negative 2 plus 1 plus c. Magiging x raised to negative 1 all over negative 1 plus c. Then, simplify, magiging negative 1 over x plus c. So, anytime you have this rational function like this one, make sure to rewrite it. Another example is the integral of 7 over x to the 4th dx. So, let's rewrite it. Magiging 7x raised to negative 4 dx. Then, 7x raised to negative 4 plus 1 all over negative 4 plus 1 plus c is equal to 7x raised to negative 3 over negative 3 plus c, or negative 7 over 3 x cubed plus c. So, pwede rin ang power rule kapag mag-integrate ka ng radical function. Let's say, the integral of cube root of x dx. So, ito re-write muna natin, magiging x raised to 1/3 dx. So, magiging x raised to 1/3 plus 1 over 1/3 plus 1 plus c. So, 1/3 plus 1, so kailangan natin kunin ang common denominator. 1 is same as with 3 over 3, then 1 plus 3 is 4. So, magiging x raised to 4/3 over 4/3 plus c. Then, multiply both numerator and denominator by 3 over 4, or the reciprocal of the denominator. So that, makakancel 3 and 3, then 4 and 4. So, magiging 3/4 x raised to 4/3 plus c. So that is the final answer. Now let's try the integration of exponential, which is the e raised to u du. So the integral of e raised to u du is equal to e raised to u over u prime plus c. Kapag yung u ay linear function and the u prime is constant, pero kapag hindi siya constant, hindi pwede tong formula na to. Ayan. So, for example, e raised to 4x dx. So, magiging e raised to 4x, then the derivative of 4x is 4. Ayan. Then, plus c. Okay, next, e raised to 7x minus 3 dx equals e raised to 7x minus 3, then the derivative of u, which is 7. So, 7 is also a constant, then plus c. Next, the integral of e raised to x dx is equal to e raised to x, then the derivative of x is 1 plus c. So, e raised to x over 1 plus c. Next is the integral of e raised to x squared dx. So, magiging e raised to x squared, then the derivative of x squared is 2x. So, it is not a constant. Kasi may variable po siya na x. So, hindi po siya pwede. Pag kinuha natin yung derivative nitong expression na to, hindi tayo bibigyan ng e raised to x squared. Now, let's move on to the logarithmic function. So, the integral of 1 over u du is equal to ln u over u prime. So, same sa e raised to u kanina, na dapat yung u prime natin is constant. Kasi kung hindi constant, hindi rin siya pwedeng gamitin. Okay, for example, the integral of 1 over x dx is equal to ln u natin is x, then u prime is 1 plus c. Next example is 1 over x plus 5 dx is equal to magiging ln x plus 5 over the integral or the derivative of x plus 5 is 1, then plus c. Next, let's try the integral of 1 over 4x minus 3 dx. So, ito magiging the natural log of 4x minus 3 over the derivative of 4x minus 3, which is 4 plus c. So, let's try to differentiate the ln 4x minus 3 over 4 plus c. If we will get the answer 1 over 4x minus 3 dx. Ayan. So, the derivative, or to differentiate the natural log, we have a formula which is ln u is equal to u prime over u. So, ang u natin is 4x minus 3, then ang u prime natin is 4. So, it is equal to 1/4, then u prime 4 over 4x minus 3 plus c. Hindi na pala, plus 0, I mean. Okay. Then, cancel 4. Then, multiply 1 over 4x minus 3. Okay. So, we get the correct answer. Next example is the integral of 7 over 3x minus 8 dx. So, since may constant siya sa taas, ilalabas lang natin siya. So, magiging 7, the integral of 1 over 3x minus 8 dx. Then, gagamitin na natin yung formula. Magiging 7 times the natural log of 3x minus 8 all over the derivative of 3x minus 8 is 3. then plus c. Okay, so magiging 7 over 3 ln 3x minus 8 plus c. Then let's try to differentiate the answer if we will get 7 over 3x minus 8. So, and d over dx magiging 7 over 3 times the derivative of ln 3x minus 8 plus c, or the derivative is 0. Next, so ang ln u natin is equal to u prime over u. So ang u natin is 3x minus 8. Then, ang u prime natin is 3. So, 7 over 3 times 3 over 3x minus 8 plus 0. Then, cancel 3. So, ang may iwan na lang is 7 over 3x minus 8. So, we got the correct answer.